Welcome to Last Technologies, Learning as a Service, where learning meets opportunity. Today's topic is who can learn Azure DevOps. Anyone with an interest in software development, IT operations, or cloud technologies can learn Azure DevOps. It is designed to be accessible and scalable for a wide range of learners. Here is the breakdown for who can typically learn Azure DevOps, professional advancing their careers like software developers, DevOps engineers, system administrator, testers, project managers can learn Azure DevOps. Who can manage code repository, CI/CD pipeline, monitoring infrastructure. They can enforce the best practices, manage environments, integrate infrastructure as a code like Terraform or ARM templates. Students and beginners, the tech or non-tech enthusiastic who have completed their engineering or degree can opt for Azure DevOps in their learning and career changes. When we talk about non-IT people can also switch to IT by learning Azure DevOps with minimal knowledge of coding or scripting. What you need to get started to learn Azure DevOps? You should have a proper guidance and a plan for learning Azure DevOps. Thank you. For more content and for courses of in Azure DevOps, you can reach Last Technologies.